Oh, but Akufo Addo mu ba no mbeso mu chi ade no. Omu chi anye yi.
Welcome to the Political Round to your voice right here on Ghana TV GH. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. A branch of friend Bulldog or say Bulldog or whatever his name is. Media minya will be a follow entertainment news society. I mean him say yes on now Ebony Rain manager or something like that. Now sa branch no or yeah. Obiaye has been a very, very firm critic of the NPP government, Akufo Addo government. No. Now, everybody's allowed, okay, to support whoever they want to support, to run to pass their political message, their views, anyhow they want to. But just that it must be constructive. Even if you don't want it to be constructive, one thing about Akufo Addo will say, only now you're a human rights lawyer. And see, most of these things, he allowed it to pass. He did not even really do anything about them. A lot of people said a lot of things about Akufo Addo, which were allowed to just be swept under the carpet. Now, Akufo Addo is no longer president. Now, beside Bulldog or say Bulldog or Assembly. Okoyi Assembly no. He again, UTV Saturday night as United Showbiz no. Okoyi Assembly no say. And all the Akufo Addo dimben say Akufo Addo or your nipa or now you'll be an person or rewriting history of Ghana and all those things. You see, the fixation of Nkrophobia from influencers, celebrities about Akufo Addo. We know why most of them no or mumpe Akufo Addo asem. Most of these celebrities, pastors, and all those things, we know. Because some of the Kumawood actors, those people came out clearly to say, under John Mahama first came in, now it immediately are buying sika, and they talk about celebrities for free. Okay, what one? You qualify for cars, you qualify for appointment. John Mahama 1.0. At Akufo Addo buy, all those things came to a halt. Akufo Addo said, no, a buying sika is not for those things. I'm going to use it to sponsor the education of people and all this free senior high school buy. And because these celebrities and co were not getting any chop from Akufo Addo's government, that is when they decided to gang up against Akufo Addo government. But you see, one thing these celebrities must remember and say, Akufo Addo was not a failed president.
I'm not really listening to what OG said, right? But if OG say no bullet, or can't discover now, I don't think say what can't be bonny. Baby, ana a bullet kasane say he thinks OG is trying to take his credit. I think say that's not any sana mimi huno. Oh, any intention, but that's not any sana mimi huno. There are some things I want to me in life. Onukura no kasano oka at the tail end of Nikasani say you can't rewrite history.
Yeah.
See at Nkrumah na Akufo Addo mu no mpeso mu chechia nioma about Nkrumah ni ade. Oh, say me my no be near kano.
Yeah.
Nkrumah was a leading role, like a leading figure in founding Ghana. But I know Nkrofo what I say nipa ba go to me here. Oh. But Akufo Addo mu ba no mpeso mu chi ade no. Omu chi anye yi. What did they say? Because Nkrumah dina akodada. You can't be and go see aga. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't think the bullet should be excited about the fact that Abia Obi Pese credit. Nobody can take his credit. I mean, Ubo Ebonidia. The name that is synonymous to the brand. Yes, you can't take that away. So I think I don't know what transpired between them. My name says Skasemnu na aye ama the there's more to the but I think it's an issue they can easily resolve into the back and forth, because I mean what's the what's the real substance in this? I mean, I said AyEka, what I say, you know. So Bullet should not be worried. Nobody can take his credit. What did they can say? Jumani de wabo Jumano and Jumano. Maybe Oboko see a bad didn't say obi to me apipa. And I don't think say OG2 will be seeking to do that. Okay. Because it will be unwise on OG's part. Say obe pese obe YP and discredit a Juma a Bullet. I mean there's nothing. Yes, I now pese who sounded to say Akufo Addo in for, but to me yes, and I don't think so. Meaning OG, I know the two personalities involved in the matter. I think that they should find a way to resolve the issue. Okay. You know, my peace. You know, yes. And my peace in Obaya ni Nana Rumi. Oh, now I'm cool. Ah, okay.
He was not. Our constitution, Muno. Obia our person president be deserve 2 terms. And yes, sir. 2 terms of 4 years, 4 years. Now, after 1 4-year term, no, you have to return to the people to get their nod. And yes, sir. You should remember, say, Akufo Addo not only ran 1 term, 1 successful term, but he was given a 2nd term. Since AyEka Sano, Akufo Addo a former president of the Republic of Ghana on retirement or a statesman. And you failed president or you be a 4 years, then I pam no Ghana for pam no say a juma or man no one juma ni and all those things. And that record no forever and ever it will be in our history. So the earlier you these so-called celebrities and co stop dragging the repute, the name, the achievement of Akufo Addo into the mud, they better, because it will not wash. There are over 2.5 million children who were sent through senior high school for free. No? They will never forget the name of Akufo Addo. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification. Cheers.
When Otumfuo makes a request, who are you to refuse? There's a very special one. The first time, Professor Mills sent Bafo Boni of blessed memory and a team to come and tell me that he wanted me to be his running mate. And at that time, I had made my plans to leave politics. So my response was, no, I won't do it. So later he sent Ato Ahoy and Totobi Kwachi and Kwamina to come and ask me to accept to be his running mate. Again, I said no. And so one day I was in Accra, I got a call. It says, Otumfuo wants you in Malaysia. Who am I to refuse? So I got up and went. And when I went, I said, hey, only I say, Professor Bill say, Beye, nabe de chain, nabe de vice president, I will say there be. Hey, oh boy. He says, when your country calls you, you can't refuse. He says, I was sitting in London somewhere, and my kingdom called me to come and be Otumfuo. I think I don't want to enjoy the free life that I had to do it, so you cannot refuse. So he said, okay, I'm going to South Africa, I'm going to meet President Mills. When I come to Accra, I want your response, because I promised him I'll bring a response. So when the Otumfuo came to Accra, so when he came to Accra, I went to him, and he said, yes, have you made up your mind? And I said, yes, I've made my mind, but tell Professor Mills I'll do it for only 1 term. And Nana said, even if you do it for only 1 day, we'll accept it. The rest is history. And